Happy graduation day. Happy graduation day. Happy graduation, happy graduation, happy graduation day. Moving up from nursery to K1. Congratulations and dedications. The most active Prince Nathan. This is most active ba? This is most active ba, baby? Oh, you stay there. Stay there. Nathan requested a spaghetti. Nag-request siya kanina spaghetti daw. So, Mommy bought you a spaghetti. It's your favorite. And this one is a pichi-pichi. Pichi-pichi.
Naka-frame. Butang pinakamahal naging bayadan.
Pichi-pichi.
Bangin na, dali na nalat pag, reporting card, makakatuman.
Here's the pichi-pichi.
April 30.
And the pizza. Pizza for 3 flavors. Nandun yung iba.
This is a spaghetti.
No, that's not a spaghetti. This one is a spaghetti.
It's rice.
Oh, that's a hot dog. Did you call Toto her son?
Oh, sit down.
There's Toto her son. Call Toto her son. Yes.
Nathan, no, it's your spoon.
Happy graduation day, anak ni Mami. Yan, cutie. I-fold ito, Daddy. Ang Mami, baby, cute. What's that your favorite?
No,
wow! It's bouncing. Look, this is a pizza. Wow. Ang dami natin from Chowking, Amber, and papress mga color. Red and and then pizza. That's Nathan's food. Nathan's favorite spaghetti. Okay, say bye-bye now. Bye-bye now. Are you happy? Bye-bye now, me love.
Bye-bye. You bye-bye.
Ako si Cutie Pie, pero makulitie pie. Bye-bye.